He lost Boston, and then he ran and hit his head on the garage door because he can't see. And now look it.
This is what happens when you wake me up.
He has a humongous.
This is why you take him out yourself. Here, take it.
These worms.
Also, you might have peed on his leash. That's right.
So we just went to Target, and Ethan is applying some I don't know what it is. What is it, Ethan? Some Neosporin to help with that cut of his, and he actually broke the garage, or he bent it with his head. I'll put a picture on the screen right now of the garage. Look at that. But we're going to the lake right now, and we're gonna go do some fishing.
You ready and save on plain and seasoned St. Louis ribs at Whole Foods Market for only $3.99 a pound, with an extra 10% off for Prime members through July 7th. While supplies
You look like Naruto. Also bought a hat right there. He's gonna kind of.
I'm not even on my cut.
I took it enough. At the Medina Target. We went to the wrong place because this is East Medicine Lake Park, and well, this is not what I remember it looking like. So there's a dock right here. Maybe they're just gonna fish off this very, very skinny dock. Oh my gosh, I think we're just gonna have to set all of our stuff down right here on the grass. But yeah, I'm throwing my 360 GT, the bass catcher, always, and we'll see how it goes. It's just kind of something hit it.
Did I tell you that when me and Roger went to fish like someone had a bass?
Yeah, you already told me that. Where's my bait? Something had it, I'm telling you. That's weird. I don't think that's ours. Yeah, it's definitely not ours. We can't go there. It's kind of shallow here.
Why didn't you check the area before you came?
That's what Dad told me this place was.
No, you should have looked at the map to make sure.
You think everything's a fish. The wrong place. I thought this is East Medicine Lake Park. East Medicine Lake Park has like a bridge that goes over, and then it has sort of like a pond that the bridge goes over, and then it has like a walkway. No, it's different. It's way different. It has like a walkway, and then it's like kind of big. But I guess not. This place is not what I was looking for. Well, we're at Clifton E. French Regional Park. Good thing I brought my longboard. Yeah, where's that? No, I'll bring the fishing poles. You grab the lunchbox.
No, you grab it.
No, I'm gonna bring my fishing pole. You grab the lunchbox. Look, I'm carrying everything. You're not. Good thing I brought this longboard. Glad I brought this longboard. I'm so glad Ethan's just staying behind. It's so smooth. It's a downhill longboard, so it's kind of sick though. Okay, we're picking up speed. We're picking up a lot of speed. Yeah, we're picking up a lot of speed. I don't want to because there's like a really sharp turn right there. So we're just gonna have to keep slowing down. No, we can't. There you go. Now we can pick up speed. I'm getting the hang of this thing now. Since last summer. It's a lot better to have this thing. I would have brought my bike, but it really doesn't fit Ethan's car. So yeah, the launch is right over there. We're gonna go to here. We're gonna do some bank fishing. It's good because I don't think there's a fishing dock here. French Regional Medicine Park. There you go. some nice bank fishing. There's like structures out there. It looks like it's really weedy. It's in the tree. And I got a bird's nest because it was in the tree. Are you kidding me right now? Because it was in the tree. Yeah, I still have the line. I know it snapped off. Where is it? It's right there. I got one. I let my rod down and then I got one. Yeah. This thing's humongous.
Oh, whoa, that's big, son.
Like it, I like let my rod down. I was gonna turn away, but then I heard my bobber go boom. So you have insurance on my rod? Ouch! Ow, it stabbed me.
You don't hold it on the back, you hold it on the front.
But then it's gonna poop on me.
No, that's what you do. Because it doesn't have the thing on top.
This thing's big, Ethan. It's bigger than my hand.
Yeah, it's huge. That's a big one.
That's big. I literally, do you hear my bobber?
No.
I did. Please don't fall. It's a sunfish. Okay, goodbye. Put you in like John B. Goodbye. No, because the water's really shallow over there. Here.
Me?
Yeah.
How are you moving? Watch this. Easy.
It's moving. Yay! 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 A pumpkin seed.
See, that's how you
Wait, you're getting. You touch it.
Yeah, I don't know. Actually, because I had to take Ragos here.
Yeah, Ethan caught the fish. He's caught the fish.